Hello, what's up? I am about to unbox the new purple iPhones and some of the new cases. The mini and the 12. I have already unboxed this one on TikTok, so if you follow me there, which you totally should check it out, it's a vibe. Believe it or not, I'm actually filming with an iPhone up here as my top-down camera angle, so I hope it looks good. This is a new thing for me. That's the iPhone 12 Pro up there. There it is. Yeah, zoom back in, hide that little, oh. All right, so I'm super pumped. We got so much to check out. Here we go, iPhone 12 purple. Oh! Baby, it still gets me. Look at that. Stunning. Oh, I love this phone. Oh, did you hear that? I sure hope so. That is just, already getting my fingers all over it. Stop. Shouldn't have eaten pretzels before this. And when do I eat pretzels? Never, because they're terrible. I was just so hungry, it's all I had. Check it out, check it out. That is nice. In the box, we have our Lightning to USB-C cable for charging. Then we have our documents, Apple sticker, important information, and SIM tool. And that, my friends, is everything that's in the box. This is our fresh mini. Too much, too far? Gotta get a little bit of ASMR in there. Whoa, didn't see that coming, I'm sorry. Opening it up. Oh, doesn't that just make you feel good, that color? I think I spat a little on my lip. I was just so excited. That's a side-by-side. Pretty cool, right? I think purple is back in. Like, it's kind of a 70s color. It's a bit of a 70s vibe. I'm predicting purple and orange are gonna be the new what's up of this year, whatever that means. I predict it. Ooh. Again, same documents, same charging cable. Simple. So now what we want to look at is the cool new cases. Some really beautiful colors for spring for Americans. For me, winter in Australia, really needed cheery colors for the winter months that these have practically been released for. We'll start off with the purple case. Does it open from the top? Oh, it does. Trust the process. Oh, dang. That's a nice deep purple. Honestly, I didn't think I'd love it. Documentation. This color's coming back in fashion. I tells you now, I'm calling it. Pop the mini inside. That's nice. That's a nice phone. You know what's crazy is I keep forgetting I'm wearing a lavalier mic and I keep yelling, so apologies. That is called amethyst, that color. Now this is the cantaloupe color, which has also come out in the Apple Watch bands. Really pretty. This is kind of cool. Oh, sorry, this is the pistachio. Oh, who loves pistachio ice cream? Because I do. It's been too long. Need some gelato. That's a color I can get behind. Put that in the case. Oh, I like it a lot. This is the deep violet case for the 12 and 12 Pro. This is the Capri blue, or Capri. Is it Capri? Probably. How do you open this one? Oh, oh wow. This is really deep purple kind of color. Ooh. Oh yeah, wow. It reminds me of like a race car for some reason. Like, look at that, that's a winning color. Chuck that in there. That's nice. I generally read and reply to comments, so hit me up if you got questions and subscribe to join the awesome crew and follow me on my other channels, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.